Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab. You are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Congratulations everyone for the profits made during last week. It was a very good and fantastic week, and I hope most of you must have made good profits. So I'm going to run a technical analysis for the upcoming week, because in the weekly forex forecast videos my aim is to decide the tone for the upcoming week's live streams. So first of all, last week what I said this market made a very nice level right here, nice double bottom right here, and on the basis of this double bottom, what we have got a very nice divergence right here. So when we get this divergence and this double top, I was so sure last week that it is going back up to 4200, and then later we saw that move as well. I traded it live with you as well. So from right here, from 2 weeks, 39.70 and 39.85, I gave the trades, and that worked very nicely. Congratulations for the profits made. Remember, this is not my magic, but this is you who listen to me very nicely. So first of all, if we see and if we find out that where this market potentially can go further, because whatever was supposed to be happening, that happened. And I will also be discussing that last week why I was so sure about this buy trade, and then it actually did, because this is one of my famous strategy, and in fact the only strategy that I trade with, and that's why it go up there and it drop back from there. If you check out my last weekly forex forecast video, you will see this buy trade as well and this sell trade as well. Sell trade back to this particular zone of around broken level right here. For now, if you see 61.8% retracement, and this 61.8% retracement came around 4047. There is also some educational stuff for you as well, because we have to find out that what this market can do further. What will be those opportunities that can tell us that where is it going up. Most traders will be buying from right here. Most traders will be buying from right here as well, and will be stuck at the moment in the market. Most traders are stuck from right here as well. And why is that happening to those traders? Because most of the traders don't follow the technicals, they just follow the sometimes the fundamentals, or sometimes listen to most of the other people, which ends up in big losses. And I highly emphasize that if one is anyways going to put risk in this market, in this industry, then that trader should learn and get familiar with the setups, get familiar with the concepts, get familiar with the candlesticks, get familiar with the trend lines, get familiar with the change of characters. Watching a video and just having a look at the level someone else is giving may not be the real way to trade, because as you know, I said this is a change of character. But if one took sell trade right here, how big mistake that person did, because in traditional ways we are taught that this is a resistance level, and on a resistance we need to sell. But last week what I said, that I'm not going to sell right here. Why? Because if I sell right here, it will mean I'm going against these bulls. So I rather did not sell the market right here, but I focused on buying, and every result, every trade I took live with you in the live streams, and result is right here in front of you. So what is that simple thing that I do, and what the others who are keep losing, or who just make profits and give it back to the market, mistakes they are repeating? This is what I highly emphasize in my videos, and to give clear insights to what actually the market is doing. Now if we see, market is also going up till 43.52, and market is also coming down till right here, and market is also coming back down to the support. If I draw the support from where this trend line started, that will be around near right here perhaps. Let's see, let's find it out with the help of a Fibonacci. and usually I like to do these Fibonacci stuff because they give me accurate results. So this trend line all the way started from right here. Now see this trend, and this was a previous change of character, but market did not respect it. Why? Because the bulls created a double bottom right here along with the divergence on the RSI. So comparatively last week was very simple to predict. Now if we see on the daily time frame, we have nothing. On the monthly time frame, obviously we have this candle open and the market is bullish. On the weekly time frame, we have a green candle that closed with a big wick. Now on the daily time frame, we just have a bearish engulfing candle. But on the H4 time frame, if we see, things will start to get change for all of us. Now we have to find out that okay, if this market is going to go up, where will be the selling level, and if it is going to go down, where will be the buying level, and even if this is a buying level or not, that we also have to find out. So for the upcoming week, the plan might be a little bit, some false fake out can do occur, but I will say as far as the market is trading above 39.24 and 38.95, technically right here this support on this support as well. But does that mean I'm going to buy trades or not right here? It will require some sort of confirmations. What those confirmations can look like, since I have told you that we have nothing on the higher time frames. On the higher time frames, it is also showing to hit the resistance. It is also showing an ABCD pattern to the sell side of the market. For example, it is showing us this sell candle at the moment, and this sell move will be decided on the basis of what? On the basis of this break below. So now things start to get easy for us. If we get any daily candle close below 4020, then it will be pointing back down to 37.75, and not just one candle but a proper candlestick formation right here we will need, because this is a simple 61.8% retracement. Right here on the H4, if I show you, this is now nicely showing up another push up, and for the bullish wave we will know that what this market is going to tell us near 61.8% retracement at a price of 41.60. So in the upcoming week, first of all, the first thing will be that this is a consolidation zone. It can range right here or it can break. So which side it break on the higher time frame, it will be running back to that side. Now if it break to the upper side of the market, then there is this ABCD pattern with us. Now it's us who have to decide that okay, what we need to do further. If this is the case, this will be the situation, very simple, and it will be pointing back to this resistance level right here. Let me highlight for all of you. Now everyone, you guys say that Aftab, don't spend too much time on the gold analysis, so that's why this week I might not be explaining it in 20 minutes. I just want to discuss the levels later. You know how I practically trade it myself. Everything is transparently in front of us. If we see, there is one change of character right here, and this change of character will be super important for us. So if the market is very bad, it can also come back down till here and then take a support from right here as well. So pretty much a lot of the stuff is going on right here, but if I simplify it, break above this retest can show us this, right, and break below this retest can show us this, and then again maybe this up move, or maybe it go breakout, retest, and a continuation. But if I sum up everything, I will say I'm not trading these breakouts. I will be looking at the market live in the NY session, and the position trades that I have, they will still be there, and rest I will be trading it in the live stream in front of you, explaining each and every thing. So this was gold US dollar. I hope you guys will give me a good feedback, and we will see tomorrow in the live stream in the NY session. Take a lot of care of yourself. Goodbye.